Hey my beautiful Pisces, how are you all doing? Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. I will be doing this general love reading for you and your person for the rest of the December, and these are general love readings, so please keep in mind that they may not resonate with each one of you. Do watch your sun, moon or rising placement videos. Keep in mind roles can be reversed, cross watchers are welcome, and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. What are my Pisces feeling right now? Spirits and guides, angels, universe, please tell me what are my Scorpio viewers feeling right now. Your feeling, in your feelings is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, feelings, you're feeling like giving an offer to someone but it is taking too long, or this offer is coming towards you but it is very slow and steady. But okay, this is a stable offer for you, and they are coming towards you. Someone is coming towards you with this offer of stability, love, but it's slow in coming. Okay, let's see, how do you view your person as? Spirits and guides, angels, universe, please tell me, how does my Pisces view their person as? What are they viewing them as? Okay, they view them as Page of Cups. Yeah, they think they are very mature. You guys think they are very immature, but yes, they are very cute, loving, but you can't trust them right now. Okay, like they are genuine, but they might be younger in age also, that is possible, and younger than you, Pisces. Okay, and let's see how are what are your person's feelings in this connection. What is my Pisces person feeling right now? What are their feelings? Two cards. They are feeling Judgment and Four of Wands. Your person wants reconciliation. They want to marry you. They want reconciliation with you. Or maybe they are stuck in a marriage, in a stable connection, and they want judgment. Like they want, there's some kind of court proceedings going on. Maybe a divorce or something. There are two situations here. We'll clarify. We'll see how the reading folds further. How your person views you as. Spirits guides, what my Capricorn's person views them as. Spirits and guides and angels, universe, please tell me what my Pisces person view them as. They view as Ace of Swords. They want clarity, and they think you will bring the clarity will come. This is like they want communication, and maybe they want communication in this connection. They want you to talk to them. One of you is like waiting for communication, and I think communication is coming because of the Ace of Swords is like divine intervention, divine. Then we have, what are you hoping for? What are your hopes? Like Six of Swords, moving away. You're on the verge of moving away from this connection. Your hopes are like you don't see any. Okay, what are your person hoping for? What is your person hoping for in this connection? Spirits and guides. Too many cards. I will pick the card here. They are hoping strength. They want to strength in Page of Pentacles. They want to start off new with you, and they are hopeful in this connection. They want you to be strong, and they are like They are gaining strength to come towards you, give you this small offer, but a small and stable offer. And 2 pages energy, maybe messages are coming towards you, maybe they are contemplating on messaging you, giving starting some kind of communication with you. But 6 of Swords is like they also feel that you're trying to move away from this connection. And yes, that is your energy, Pisces. You are trying to move away. Okay, then we have what action you plan on taking with this person. What my Pisces plans to take, what action my Pisces plans to take with this person in this love life. They plan to take, oh, Magician, they are manifesting. Pisces, you are manifesting this person. Very strong manifestation. Ace of Swords and below, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and Magician in line tells me that a strong manifestation and divine help is coming towards you, but it's slow. Okay, they are manifesting you, they are asking you from the divine. Okay, what action your person plans on taking, Pisces? What action my Pisces person plan on taking in this connection? They plan on taking 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. Yes, they want equal give and take. They want to celebrate life with you. They focus on this. Yes, Strength card, Page of Pentacles. They want to start off by they want to celebrate life with you. What is the outcome of the situation? Spirits, guides, please tell me what is the outcome of the situation with my Pisces and their person in the month of December. What is the outcome of the situation? Outcome is 7 of Pentacles. You have to wait. Universe is asking you to wait. 7 of Pentacles is patiently waiting for the results, patiently waiting for your crop to grow and give fruits. So this is a waiting kind of energy. And yes, Ace of Swords is coming. First card was Knight of Pentacles, coming but slow. Okay, Pisces, we'll see what the angels and spirits guides have to tell you in this regards, in this connection. Too many cards. Okay, peaceful resolution, some kind of peaceful resolution is coming, but it is taking little time, not happening in the month of December, maybe in New Year. This reading is for a short period of time and a week. So let's see. One more card, please. Spirits, guides. One more card for my Pisces. One more card for my Pisces. Spirits and guides, please. We have success. Yes. The cards are talking, not me, guys. See. Peaceful resolution and success. So everything is going to be in your favor. Okay. Whatever you manifest is going to come true. Okay, let's see what Chakra Wisdom has to say, what guidance they have to, my angels and spirits guides have for you, what guidance they have for you, spirits and guides. Please tell me about, for Pisces, what guidance they do have from you. Angels, spirits and guides, please guide my Pisces. Okay. We have 2 cards, Despondence and Service. Okay, this is a kind of a helpless energy, like feeling burdened by a situation a lot, and service is excuse me, maybe you are dealing with Aquarius, because my Aquarius also got a Despondence card. You can watch for that reading. And service is spirits and guides are asking you to help for some to be helpful for the community or someone who needs your guidance or service. Maybe you're working in the government service somewhere, like where you have to serve someone or like that. Pisces, you need to serve someone, maybe, or an old person in your family. Maybe you need to take care of them, and that is the reason why either you are stuck or they are stuck because of this person. They are sick maybe, and you need to take care of this person. This is a special message for you, Pisces. You need to take care of someone in your life, someone in your vicinity or family or relatives or friends, anyone where you need to give your services towards. Okay, and this can also be like you're feeling stuck in your place of work also, because despondence tells me that you're stuck somewhere, you can't think of moving, and you're given into the situation, and you're like, whatever happens will happen, and I'm not going to work too much for this connection or for this situation. Okay, this was your reading, Pisces. I hope it'll help. I will see you in the next one. Till then, all the best, love and light.